All right, so here are the controls up here. This one and this one, they work independently as for going forward. So you can, it's self-propelled, so you can control the speed here by either turning this up or down, and you can find the speed you want. To turn on the mower, you got to push this down and then pull this lever up. When you let go of the lever, it stops the mower. So let me see if I can do this with one hand. Then you can go forward or push this button, and then of course as soon as you let go, it shuts off. Then the other thing is, I don't think you'll have to mess with this, but this is for adjusting the height up and down. Then when you're done mowing, you got to pull the battery and charge it. So lift this up, and there's a good way to do this, except for just pull the little green thing up and pull this out. Then you go to the garage. And put it in the charger. The light should go on and it starts charging. And that's all there is to it.